Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Lands of Jail modded version with unlimited money. So this works on iOS and Android, so let's get straight into the video. As you can see, I'm super rich. So all you have to do is go to hexmods.com and find the Lands of Jail, press on it, and then press the download button and it will start downloading the mod. Now before it downloads, there is a verification where you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here. As you can see, so it's basically going to say that we have to complete the surveys and keep the server safe. So there's 4 apps on the page. You have to download 2 of them. So Merge Gardens is really easy because you just have to reach level 9. But you just press tap to install, and if you're using an Android, it will bring you to the Play Store, and if you're using an iPhone, it will bring you to the App Store, and you just download the app. So I've heard if you're in another country, they differ, so these are just the USA ones, but make sure you do 2 of them. They've all got their own instructions, and there's an AI you can talk to, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get the Lands of Jail modded version for 2025 on iOS and Android. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. I've looked into some other hacks, but this is the best way to get a modded version for your device. So yeah, there's pretty easy apps to download. They're not very hard or anything, so you guys shouldn't have any problem doing this. So be sure to try it out. I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you like this game, because it is super easy to download the mod onto your device. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you in another one, but yeah, tell your friends, and peace out.